been wondering how to use clove essential oil? We love to smell it mixed with cinnamon and orange during the holidays. Keep watching. You won't believe what all clove is great for. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. Now let's talk about clove. Sourced from Madagascar, doTERRA clove essential oil is harvested from unopened and dried flower buds of the evergreen tree. Though it is more commonly recognized as a ground household spice, clove oil is a unique and powerful option that you can utilize even outside the kitchen. Clove oil can be especially useful for dental hygiene. For years, clove oil has been used in candies, gum, and dental preparations due to its ability to cleanse the mouth and help freshen the breath. There are several ways to harness the cleansing and soothing benefits of clove oil for the teeth, gums, and mouth at home. For example, place a single drop of clove oil in 2 ounces of water and gargle for a soothing effect. You can also add 1 drop of clove oil to your toothpaste, which will promote clean teeth and fresh breath. For an extra clean feeling, apply 1 drop of clove oil to your teeth and gums after your 6-month appointment with your dentist. You'll love it. Add clove oil to your daily supplement regimen to help promote wellness. To experience the benefits that clove oil has to offer, consider adding 2 or 3 drops of clove oil to a veggie capsule and take internally. Because clove oil brings a warming sensation to the skin, it's sometimes used for massage therapy. Keep in mind, however, that clove oil is known as a hot oil and should always be diluted with fractionated coconut oil. Or, if you want to enjoy the benefits of a calming, warm massage at home, you can also combine clove oil with the doTERRA hand and body lotion. Clove oil is great for supporting a healthy thyroid. Apply diluted over the thyroid or take 1 or 2 drops in a veggie capsule. Trying to stop the nasty habit of smoking? Rub clove oil into the bottom of the big toe for some big time support. You can use clove essential oil all the ways, internally, topically, and aromatically. It's all part of taking control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.